surrounds me. If we hold ourselves together, we'll go far.
Hey guys, Uniqueness Essentials here. So for this DIY, I'll be starting off with this plate and I'm going to put it in the middle of a foam board. I'll keep that aside and then take paper plates and cut all of them into two. I got this paper plates from Party City. Now this is how the cutouts are going to be arranged on the foam board. I'm going to do that before I glue them down. This turned out to be a square, bigger than the actual plate. So all around this pattern, I'm just going to be making squares. They're going to be bigger than the subsequent squares. Now, if you're new to my channel, I am so excited to have you here. Now, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Now I'm going to be using smaller cutouts on all of the open plates. And then I'll use some to decorate the outer parts. This gold trim plate comes in a pack and I'll be using some of them and cutting out the outer trim to use it to add to the design. Here I'm just showing you guys the pattern that I'll be using with these plates that I just cut out, but it is advisable that before you do this, you cut out the foam board after you have glued the first set of plates. When I was done, I added a mirror in the middle and put a hook at the back and mounted it on the wall. Because I love the way the pattern was so interesting, I decided to use it on a box and make a small table with it. So this is an empty box from all my moving around. This is one of the empty boxes. So I'm going to use this to make a table and I'll put it together with a wall mirror to make it look like a set. I will use this plaque as my guide to draw a circle in the middle. Once in a while, I may put something decorative on top of this. So it's not strong, so I'm gonna have boxes, pieces of other boxes that I have. And I'm gonna make cutouts out of them and then roll it up and glue them inside. This is what I have, and it's really, really strong. So I'm gonna repeat the same thing for the remaining 3 cutouts. I kept those aside, and then now I'm gonna be painting the whole box white. I'm done with the first coat of paint. Now I'm going to be applying the second coat of paint. When it was dry, I took the boards that I rolled and glued them inside. Now I have supports inside the box. The next thing I'll do is to cover up the rough edges with white duct tape. And guys, please don't pay any attention to whatever you see around the box. That's just me just trying out all kinds of things that did not work out. So let's just go on with the video without whatever it is that's going on around the box. Because I had painted the whole box white, the round circle I drew earlier is still there but very faint, so I'm going to trace it out. Okay, so I tried out a pattern that did not work, so that's why you see the top looking so messy, so excuse the mess. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut all the plates into 2 like I did for the wall decor. And I'm gonna be decorating the front of my cute small cupboard. The parts that are open are going to be covered up with little pieces. For it to look similar to the wall decor, I'll be using the same plate in the middle, and I cut it into two. I have rough edges here, so I'm going to cover that up with little pieces of the golden plate. To open my little cupboard, I'll be using tassels, and I got just a 1/4 inch from Hobby Lobby. And I'll be using acrylic gems to hold the tassels. For the base, I'll be using these legs, and the link for these legs will be in the description box below. I spray painted them gold and attached them to the bottom. I made cuts on the rolled cardboard that's inside because I want to put a partition inside my cute little cupboard, so I painted it white and then used a foam board that I cut it to size and put it inside. This is a toy block, and it's going to be glued up here where I'm going to be attaching the Velcro to make it easy for me to open and close the little cute cupboard with ease. What I made is the same size with the white little cupboard that I got from a store. I'll be putting napkins and edible treats inside this cute little cupboard that I just made. Another fun way to use this cute cupboard is to have baskets inside to make the storage easier and more organized. I really love these items, and I'm super happy to share it with you guys. So please don't forget to like this video and share this idea with your friends and families. Thank you so much for watching. Now I have other DIY videos linked in the description box below to check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.